Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is at the hotel. You will listen to a funny conversation between two friends at a hotel. All right, let's begin. Wow, we finally arrived at the hotel.
Yes, finally. My legs are tired.
You walked only 5 minutes.
5 minutes feels like 5 hours when I'm carrying a heavy bag.
Oh no, is your bag that heavy?
Yes, I packed too many snacks.
Snacks? Not clothes?
Of course snacks are important. Clothes are second.
That's funny.
Look at this hotel. It looks very big.
Yes, it looks beautiful too.
I hope our room is nice.
I'm sure it will be.
Okay, let's go inside.
All right.
Oh, wow. The lobby is so big.
Yes, and look at those lights.
They look expensive.
Don't worry, we are not buying them.
Good, because I only have money for food.
That's not surprising.
Look, there's the front desk.
Yes, let's go check in.
Okay, but can you talk first?
Why me?
Because my English gets shy sometimes.
Your English gets shy?
Yes, just like me.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you. You're my English hero.
Hello?
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I have a reservation.
Reservation? That's a big word.
It just means booking.
Oh, that sounds easier.
The receptionist is checking the computer.
I hope they find our booking.
Of course they will.
Oh no, what if they can't find it?
Relax, don't panic.
I'm always ready to panic.
Look, they found our name.
Really? That's great.
Yes, they are asking for our ID.
Here's my ID.
Good job.
My hands are shaking
Why are you so nervous?
because this feels very official.
It's just a hotel, not an airport.
Still, I feel important.
That's funny.
Oh, they're giving us a key card.
Yes, this is our room key.
Wow, this card looks cool.
Don't lose it.
Don't worry, I will protect it like treasure.
You're very dramatic.
Okay, where is the elevator?
Over there.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, wow, this elevator is fast.
Yes, hold your bag tight.
I feel like I'm flying.
Look, we're on the 5th floor.
That was quick.
Yes, now let's find our room.
Room 512, where is it?
Let's walk this way.
These hallways look very long.
Yes, it's like a maze.
I hope we don't get lost.
Don't worry, it's right here.
Oh, here it is, room 512.
Okay, open the door.
All right, let's see our room.
Okay, Dave, open the door.
All right, let's see.
Go ahead.
Wow, the room looks amazing.
Really? Let me see.
Yes, it's very clean.
Oh, wow, you're right.
Look at this big bed.
You look very excited.
Of course, I love big beds.
Don't jump on the bed,
Why not?
because this is not your house.
Okay, but I really want to jump.
Control yourself.
Look at this TV. It's huge.
Yes, it's bigger than my TV at home.
Maybe we can watch movies tonight.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yes, after we eat snacks.
Always snacks.
Snacks make life better.
That's your favorite sentence.
Yes, it's true. Oh, wow, look at the bathroom.
Is it nice?
Yes, come and see.
Wow, it's very clean.
Look at the shower.
Yes, it looks modern.
I want to take a shower now.
Already?
Yes, I feel tired.
Okay, but don't use all the hot water.
I will try.
Funny bathroom moment.
How do I turn on the shower?
There should be a button.
I see many buttons.
Try the silver one.
Okay, I press it. Oh no,
What happened?
water is coming too fast.
Be careful.
It's cold.
That's funny.
Wait, now it's hot.
You need to adjust it slowly.
This shower is smarter than me.
That's a good joke.
Okay, now it's perfect.
Good.
I will take a quick shower.
All right, I'll sit on the bed.
Don't fall asleep.
Maybe I will. After a short time.
Okay, I'm done.
That was fast.
Yes, I feel fresh now.
That's good.
Your turn.
Okay, I'll take a shower later.
Why later?
Because I'm relaxing now.
Lazy moment.
Yes, hotel relaxation time. Funny snack moment.
Wait, I'm hungry again.
Already?
Yes, travel makes me hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Snacks.
Of course, snacks again.
Let me open my bag.
What did you bring?
Chips, cookies, chocolate.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, emergency snacks.
You always say that.
Because it's true. Do you want some chips?
Okay, just a little.
Here you go.
Thank you.
These chips are delicious.
Yes, very crunchy.
I feel happy now.
Snacks make you happy.
Yes, always.
Cindy, I'm hungry again. You just ate snacks. Snacks are not enough. Oh no, you're always hungry.
Yes, travel makes me extra hungry.
That's funny.
Do hotels have food?
Yes, they have room service.
Room service?
Yes, you can call and order food.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Do you want to try?
Yes, let's order food.
Okay, pick up the phone.
All right, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Okay, I will try.
Funny phone moment.
Hello?
Speak louder.
Hello? Room service?
Hello, how may I help you?
Oh, hello.
Good job.
I want food.
Be more specific.
Oh, sorry. I would like to order food, please.
Of course. What would you like to order?
Cindy, what should we order?
Maybe burger and fries?
Good idea. I would like 1 burger and fries.
Anything else?
Yes, juice.
What kind of juice?
Orange juice. 1 orange juice, please.
Okay, 1 burger, fries, and orange juice.
Yes, that's correct.
Your food will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
You did great.
Really?
Yes, your English was good.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be. Now we wait again. Yes, waiting is hard.
Especially when you're hungry.
True.
I wonder how big the burger will be.
Probably big.
I hope it's very big.
You're thinking about size again.
Yes, bigger burger, happier Dave.
That's funny.
What if they bring the wrong order?
Don't worry, mistakes happen sometimes.
Oh no, I hope not.
Relax.
Okay, I will relax.
Maybe we can watch TV while waiting?
Good idea.
turn it on.
Okay. Where is the remote?
Look on the table.
Oh, here it is.
Found it?
Yes. Oh no.
What happened?
I pressed the wrong button.
What did you do?
The TV volume is very loud.
Lower the volume.
Okay. Done.
That scared me.
Sorry. TV surprise.
Funny surprise. Really?
Yes, I hear a knock.
That must be the room service.
Haha, finally, food is here.
Go open the door.
Okay. Hello, room service?
Hello.
Here is your order.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wow, the food smells amazing.
Let me see.
Look at this burger.
Haha, that's a big burger.
Yes, just like I wanted.
And look at these fries.
They look very crispy.
Let's eat.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, first bite.
Wait, it might be hot.
No, it's okay. Ah, it's hot.
Haha, I told you.
My mouth is burning again.
Haha, blow on it first.
Yes, lesson learned.
Hungry people never listen.
That's true.
Let me try the fries.
Careful, they might be hot.
Okay, I will blow first.
Good idea.
Very tasty.
Really?
Yes, very delicious.
That makes me more hungry.
Haha, you are always hungry.
Yes, always.
Wow, that was a good meal.
Yes, I'm full now.
Me too.
I feel sleepy.
Same here.
Travel makes me tired.
And eating makes me sleepy.
That's true.
Look at this bed again.
You're thinking about sleeping.
Yes, the bed looks very comfortable.
Okay, let's get ready to sleep.
Good idea.
Should we turn off the lights?
Yes, turn them off.
Okay, lights off.
This feels relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, it's fun.
What was your favorite part today?
The big bed and the burger.
Haha, of course.
What about you?
I liked the clean room.
And the funny shower moment?
Yes, that was funny.
And the phone call?
Yes, you did well.
Thank you. I'm learning.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.